I've cleaned up all the rust and dirt away from the subframe as well as from these structure plates. All these parts are now ready for paint. The subframe and both of the structure plates are now being painted. I used black alkylic paint for this one, and I know it's not suitable for body cell or cast exterior, but in chassis parts and brake calipers, etc., it's just fine. I have to wait for a few days for the paint to dry up properly, but it looks pretty nice now. It's shame to hide these parts underneath the car. I've assembled rear beam together once again, and there are new bushes on the subframe itself as well as in semi-trailing arms, and all these bushes are genuine ones. They are OEM parts. Only aftermarket parts are in anti-roll bar and those track control arms, but they are high quality stuff, so everything seems to be fine now. Next job is to install this rear beam back to the car. And one thing I forgot to mention, I installed LSD diff to the subframe this time. It's the same ratio, or it has the same ratio than the original open diff, but like I said, it's LSD. From this view, I guess you probably understand already that I've got the rear beam back to the car. It was actually quite easy job with the help of lifting jack, but there are still a lot of bits that I need to get back in the car, prop shaft, exhaust, and so on. Suspension rebuild is now finished, and I also add new parts to the front axle as well. There are new strut arms and also new tie rods. In this side the tie rod is genuine one, and on the passenger side it's aftermarket part but from well-known manufacturer, so it should be fine. At the end of this vid, I just want to give you some idea how many parts I had to change during the whole suspension rebuild, and here are the old ones. When you look at these, I'm sure you understand the difference after this rebuild has to be tremendous in terms of driving and handling. Right now the car is almost finished, and I've installed few bits of the exterior back to the car, but there are still a couple minor things I need to sort out in the gearbox and in the cooling system. But I guess this is the end of this video, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one.